an important question. We have to find the equation of a circle through the intersection of the circles. Two equations of circles are given and having its center on the line x plus y is equal to 0. Now, equation of a circle through the intersection of the given circles is given by x square plus y square negative of x plus 7y minus 3 plus lambda with x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, to this now what we can write it, 1 plus lambda x square plus 1 plus lambda y square negative of 1 plus 5 lambda with x plus 7 minus lambda with y negative of 3 plus lambda is equal to 0. Opening the multiplying with lambda and opening the brackets. Now, what this becomes? X square plus y square negative of 1 plus 5 lambda upon 1 plus lambda with x plus 7 minus lambda upon 1 plus lambda with y plus lambda minus 3 upon 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. Now, this is equation 1. Now, coordinates of center of equation 1 that are negative 1 by 2 times negative of 1 plus 5 lambda upon 1 plus lambda and negative of 1 by 2 times 7 minus lambda with 1 plus lambda. These are the coordinates of the center, and these are this is equal to what? We can write it coordinates of the center as 1 plus 5 lambda upon 2 1 plus lambda and lambda minus 7. It is 7 minus lambda with negative of 1. So, lambda minus 7 upon twice of 1 plus lambda. No. Since center of circle lies on line x plus y is equal to 0, therefore 1 plus 5 lambda upon twice of 1 plus lambda plus 7 minus lambda lambda minus 7 upon twice of 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. Now, on solving, denominator is same, so we are having 1 plus 5 lambda plus lambda minus 7 is equal to 0, and this becomes 6 lambda negative of 6 is equal to 0, and lambda is equal to 1. Now, substituting lambda is equal to 1 in equation 1, we get x square plus y square minus 3x plus 3y, negative of 1 is equal to 0 answer.